if a graph said y equals x squared, what shape is it? Can you show me? It's one of those. By the way, is it up there, over there, or where is it? In the middle. Isn't it nice if you say in the middle? I understand what it means by in the middle. If you weren't sure, you could substitute a point. So if I put in x equals naught, I get y equals naught. Then we come along, we do this to you. Y equals square root of x. You see it now? Can you show me with your arms? It's one of those. By the way, if you try to come back with yes on this one, try hard. Well, if you weren't sure, you could substitute naught. So if I put in naught, I get naught. I get one of those. Okay, what if I do this to you? Y equals x squared minus 7. What is it? One of those. So what's it officially called? Starts with B and it's got 8 letters. Is it working? Parabola. So that's a parabola. How can I tell it's a parabola? It's got an x squared. And this means what? Down 7. So instead of being there, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm only sketching. I go like that and I go like that. Can you imagine they ask you for those points and you go let x, y equal naught and let x, all that sort of stuff again. Just the basics. Then we do this here. Y equals 4 on x. Plus, no, let's just go 4 on x. What type of graph? Starts with H. Who's not bright? Yeah, got it. Hyperbola. And if you go, not sure, what can we do? Substitute. That's the weird one though, because you can't substitute 0. So you could substitute 1. We get 4 over 1 is 4, and I get 1 point. You go, eh. Is that enough? What comes after 1? So if I substitute 2, 4 over 2 is 2. What do I use 3? 4 over 3. Could do. I'm good at it, so I can go. I'm a bigger brain. No, I'm not. 4 over 3 is 1 and a third, so I could go there. 4 over 4 is 1. Oh, and then your brain goes, oh, that's right. It goes like that. It goes like that. Got the dotted line up there. Dotted line across there. You're okay? And then you replicate that over there. So I can go across here, instead of having 2, 2, I'll have minus 2, minus 2. Let me show you something I haven't said before. I did last year, I think. So I multiply that side by x, I multiply that side by x. I could write that in a different form. Remember in parabolas we have different forms? Just have forms. Tash, I think you really need, if you can switch back onto this for a second. X, y equals 4 is a different form of writing a hyperbola. All it says is 2 numbers that multiply to 4. My goodness. Give me 2 numbers that multiply to 4. 2 and 2, 1 and 4. What about minus 2, minus 2? What about minus 4, minus 1? What about minus 1, minus 4? What about 8 and a half? What about half and 8? So that is just, so when we write y equals 4 on x, it's just 2 numbers that multiply to 4. Trouble is that comes unstuck when we add extra numbers to it. What's it called? Hyperbola. So what else can I do here? Do this here and I go y equals minus the square root of x minus 4. Come back. Here we go. Show me by your arms what it looks like. Yeah, it can't be that one because it's the minus of it. So instead of being that one, it is that one. And it moves left or does it move right? Moving right forward. So it's an upside down half, or it's a half of a parabola. It's the lower half of a parabola. And so it would have been that, but it moves forward to the right. So it's that one there. And I can keep going. Ready? Have we done this one yet? No, let's do this one. X cubed minus x. One more. X outside of x squared minus 1. Anyone remember how to do that? Difference of 2 squares. So that's x minus 1, x plus 1. So what have I got? A cubic. It goes through at 0. It goes through at 1. And it goes through at minus 1. Then, because it's all positive, see that's a positive. It's not about that being positive, it's about the number in front of the x cubed. I'm going to give you the terms. It's called the leading coefficient. So if the leading coefficient is positive, it starts up here. If the leading coefficient was negative, it starts down there. So it comes down there, goes zoom up, down, and away it goes there. So there's 6 graphs. There's 6 graphs. I've only dealt with some parabolas. I've dealt with a couple of square roots. I've dealt with a hyperbola, and I've dealt with a cubic. So is there much more than that? No. So if you look at some of the questions you've got, so if we look at one of the questions here at the moment in front of you, I look at the first one, I say it's a cubic. Second one's a parabola. Third one's a square root. Got the message? So you can just look at the graphs and go, which graph is it, and try to match them up. So in a way they're trying to be kind to you that by giving you the equation, giving you the graphs and say match them up, see what's happening. So it's pretty common for Year 11 tests or exam questions. Will there be any half year? Probably. Enough said? So imagine I can go on this for 20, 30 minutes, I just keep going, me. Your brain switches off, comes back again, does a bit more, and just keep going. That's all I'm saying, because you drifted in the middle. Ready? What's that called? Starts with P and it's got 8 letters. Yeah. Parabola. So do I say parabola sometimes? Yeah. What's that? I'm going to say a sideways parabola. I'm going to say a half of a sideways parabola. What's that symbol called? Yeah. It's called a square root graph. Or square root function. Okay, go back to the original on this one. It's actually 2 numbers multiplied by 4, but so multiply by 4, but what's it actually called? What's its shape? Got 2 of those. I should make those nice. Okay, what's this one? Starts with P. What makes it a parabola though? The x squared makes it a parabola. The over x makes it a hyperbola. The square root makes it a square root. The cube makes it a cubic. And this one here is also a square root. But what's an upside down square root? That's been moved forward to the right, not to the left. Enough said.